Hi there, tech enthusiast. Welcome back to Windows Fixer. Today we are diving into a tool that's like a magic bent for your PC. CCleaner. Whether you are a seasoned tech pro or just getting started, you are in for a treat. Stick around to uncover how CCleaner can help your PC to run smoother and faster. Let's get started. Ever wish your PC could get a fresh start? Imagine waving away those digital cobwebs and giving your system a performance boost. Well, with CC Cleaner, that's exactly what we are going to do.
But hey, don't take my words for it. I'll show you how it's done step by step. Let's roll in.
First thing first, let's talk results. Check this out. On the left, we have my system before running CC Cleaner, and on the right, the same system after we work or magic. Notice how the clutters cleared and the performance.
Check yes. Check yes.
Oh, it's soaring. Now let's dive into the nitty gritty. I have got my CC Cleaner fired up here, ready to show you just how easy it is to use. Ready? Let's go step by step. Now every important point I'll discuss in this section. The first thing is health check. Scan the PC. Scanning your PC, feel free to keep it up. Your PC feels under the weather. We have found some issues to resolve. Of course, make it better. Okay, until it's finished the job, let's go on the custom cleanup and scan and analyze the junk and caches. You can also include some extra options over here. By default, I guess it's fine, but sometimes most of the pupils are facing DNS issues, so also check this option. And that's it, just run cleaner. That's it. Now click on the performance optimizer. Now here is the main step where you can just put your softwares on the sleeping mode for better performance. In my case, I have already done with the other drivers. Those are unnecessary, but in case if you want to re-enable the software for your needed, then you can just click on the wake up in the sleeping programs. Now the drivers update. Oh, by the way, here's a little secret. I know you cannot update your drivers with the free version, but let me show you how you can do that. Simply open any browser and type here the CC Cleaner, and on the official website simply you need to open, and this interface will appear, the world most popular PC cleaner. It protects your privacy and make your computer faster and more secure. Now what I'm gonna show you here in the free version, it's fine for you, but for drivers update you need to go with the professional free trial that give you 14 days free trial. In the 14 days you can perform optimizer, boost your PC speed by up to 34%, plus get better battery life. The second option, drivers updater, boost the performance of PC hardware and devices. Definitely with the free version you cannot do it, but with the trial version in the 14 days you can perform these actions as well. And if you love this tool, you can go with the professional one. Otherwise, my community is more genius, they know how to do it. Anyways, my Discord ID is mentioned in the description. Just go ahead and contact with me. Okay, let's get back to the main topic, update drivers. Now that's important to make your machine work like the more faster. Update your drivers. That's it. Now it's performing the update method for me. Anyways, let's move on the next step, the registry. Now registry is the main part of your Windows operating system, where a lot of files are just stop working without any reason. So scan for the issues, and when you have done the scan, simply click on the review selected issues and fix them. And if you want to make a backup, click on yes, otherwise click on no and fix all the selected issues. That's it. Now in the tools section you can see here all the installed applications and software, even tools. You can uninstall them if you think that it's not important for you. The software updater also available over here. It will help you to easily update your software. And also here's a startup tools. These tools are just startup when you start your operating system. So if you think that it's not important, just right click on it and disable. Now some other features are mentioned here: the browser plugins, disk analyzer, duplicate finders, and system restore, driver wipe. So these options are important when you need these, otherwise just these are optional. Now go into the option settings where you can just go into the smart cleaning. That's important. Now in my case I use mostly the Google Chrome for my Gmails, Facebook and some other stuff, so I'm not clearing my Google Chrome. But the other browsers I don't use much, so just put here the automatically clean on closing when with notification, select with all. So it will help you to maintain your PC performance. Also you can see the option tell me when there's are junk files to clean. If cleaning saves more than 0.5, then of course you need to select here the amount. I guess 0.5 is fine, just leave as it is, and that's it. I hope guys you like this tutorial, and these tools are really helpful for me even, and you will love this tool. A whirlwind tour of CCleaner and all the fantastic perks it brings to your PC life. Remember, whether you are a casual user or a tech wise, CCleaner got your back. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, keep those PCs fix and spin. Have a good day. Bye bye.